Alright, so my latest acquisition is this really old Simplicity 727. I believe it's from 1969. It is a Simplicity Broadmoor. Here are the numbers on the tag. Broadmoor 727. A quick internet search tells me that this thing was made in 1969, and it appears to be only 1969. Three-speed. This has been sitting in a shed for a number of years. I like the baby moons on the wheel in the back there. It was just given to me by a fellow who wanted it gone. Unfortunately, I don't know if there's anything wrong with it. What do we got here? We got a Schmidt's Lawn and Garden Equipment from Wheaton, Illinois. There's an old sticker. That phone number doesn't even have an area code. That's how long ago that was. I love the wood grain look on the decals here. So the hood right now is just kind of sitting on there. It was apart from the machine. Let me see if I can. All right. So this is how I found it in the shed that I got it from. So the power plant on this thing is a Briggs and Stratton engine. Electric start. The old school where you can wrap around. Oh, it doesn't move at all there. Let's see what kind of serial number we have. Can't quite read that, but I'll dig into that and get a better number and share that in the description below this video. I'm sure the battery is long gone. But kind of cool looking old thing. Need to find a home for it, decide what to do with it. I do have one front tire there that's right off the rim and chewed up pretty good. This one's actually holding air a little bit. This must be for raising and lowering the deck, I'm guessing. Ooh, look at that. There's the key. Must have bounced out when I took it home on the trailer. The fender doesn't move at all, so I can't access under there. But anyway, there it is. The Simplicity Broadmoor 727 from 1969. Anybody want it? Thanks for watching.